Hi, I'm Chef Eric, and thanks for watching. I'm going to show you 3 quick and easy ways to peel garlic. I have garlic in a lot of my recipes, I'm sure you do too, but nobody wants to peel it in the kitchen. What a pain. Now you can buy garlic already peeled in a jar, but once you open up that jar, you've got a couple of days. It just isn't that fresh. Here are 3 quick and easy ways to peel garlic. The first one is wonderful for 1 to 2 cloves of garlic. Take them, put them onto your cutting board, take the side of your chef's knife, and just give it a little tap like that, and the garlic cloves should just peel right up, just like that. Beautiful. Another wonderful way is with your paring knife. Take the garlic clove, cut off the root of the garlic, just like that. Then split it right down the middle, and the papery skin should just slide right away. And you can also see if there's a green shoot running through the center of the garlic clove, which means it's sprouting, just go ahead and take that away. Doesn't mean the garlic's bad. Now, for a lot of garlic cloves, say an entire fist or an entire bulb of garlic, get them into a bowl, break them all up, okay? Then take a second bowl, turn it over, and a little aggression therapy. Here we go. And there we are, peeled garlic. If you have a couple that are stubborn, just cover it back up and give it another shake. I really hope you enjoyed these tips and tricks. Check out my social media platforms for more videos, and I'll see you in the classroom soon.